unfortunate incident that happened yesterday here at Leilon area, around 4:25. It is believed to be around 4:25. As you could see, that area, which is called Singzam Chirang, where the CRPF as well as the state MR are seated. But even in their presence, the state sponsor Arambay Tengol, the Meitei terrorists, with their sophisticated weapon, which I will show you the proof in the video wherein the Arambay Tengol flag is reflected, as well as the sophisticated weapon. With the help of that weapon, they shoot us, they fire at us, and then their targeted place is the relief camp where children, mothers are put for their safety. But in contrast to that, they always provide false statement in front of the media. Now, these happen in front of the CRPF and the state force. In front of them, this happened. But here, the Leimakong area, the Leilon area, we have the Assam Rifle, who are the neutral force, who do not support neither of the community, but they stand for truth. But they always blame the Assam Rifle for taking the first step. I would like to clarify that it is never the Assam Rifle or us, the Kukizo people, who never attacked them. It is the state-sponsored terrorists Arambay Tengol who always attacked us in the first place. We have the proof, the video with the flag and with all the details in it. Now, I'm going to show you the place where their sophisticated weapon hit a relief camp. I will take you to the place. I will show you the detail. Now, this is the area where the bomb hit. We're talking about the sophisticated weapon which is used by Arambay Tengol, and this is the area where the bomb hit. Just imagine if this bomb would have landed in the relief camp or in the church, how many lives would be lost? The main attempt of the state sponsor Arambay Tengol terrorists is to kill all the Kokukizo people. Now, right in the front we have a relief camp, and besides that we have a church. So what is the point of using that sophisticated weapon and then throwing it here? The main reason is to kill all of us. This is an enough proof for the central government to know that the state sponsor, the state government is trying to kill all the Kukizo people of Manipur. These are the pieces of their sophisticated weapon which are found around the area. When everything is evident right in front of you, how many more proof do we want? Why is the national media always blaming the Kukizo people? Why is the national media always blaming the Assam Rifle when the Assam Rifle stands for truth? Enough of injustice for our people. Enough of injustice for our people. I want you to kindly go through the place where the bomb hit us. I want you to look